guys, welcome to our luxury Ponderosa here in Morsterton. That's where the garage is going to go, where the old one was, and we've got rid of a lot of that. We've got the wood all sort of stacked, still got to tidy up the stuff here. So yeah, a bit of a building site at the moment, but it's going to be very beautiful once we're done, you know. But that section goes past the big things that you see there a bit further on. I'll show you that in a sec. So we come around this way. Actually got a gate there for the doggies. Come in here with the builder's very cleverly done a really nice show up. It's actually Tina's idea, making this big open area that looked awful into something nice so that we can put our gumboots and shoes and stuff all out here. Nice big area here to keep things dry. Now welcome to our beautiful Ponderosa. Here we go. So this is going to be our kitchen. At the moment we have it fully sealed in. If you saw the other pictures you would have seen that we were sort of just there were no jib, no nothing. Temporarily we have a super tub, so it has a cold tap and it's plumbed to our washing machine. Talk about luxury. We have one freestanding oven which is very good as a bookcase for holding tools and things like that, which is really good. Doggies also quite like it, it's quite comfortable here. And of course we have our vanity out here, which is exactly where you want it. And yeah, so we've got all of that all done. My darling's just run past out of the camera because she doesn't want to be seen. And then welcome to, this here has all been opened up, so it's nice and big. Very, very nice. I'm going to go straight into here. Originally it was a bit more narrow than that. Sorry about the England. And yeah, so this is our lounge at the moment, which is basically our entire living area and our kitchen and everything all wrapped into one, which is absolutely fine. We have a 3-pin plug down there that works, so we've got extension cords everywhere and we've got lights and bits and pieces, so all the necessities of life. We'll come through to here. This here has been opened up. This was a silly little doorway that swung into the lounge, which meant that you were limited to how many couches and things you could have. We've opened it up so the heating will go right through. And this of course is front door. There's where we go into our, this is where it all happens. Beautiful bloody luxurious, actually quite a big bedroom, quite a big bedroom, which is really, really good. So we're kind of, yeah, that's all good. The other bedroom is very, very nice. It's okay, look, it's very nice once you see it. It is, of course, it's got one or two things in it at the present moment, going from a 4-bedroom to a 2-bedroom, and that's fine. Whoop, shit. There's our cleaning cupboard at the moment, which is excellent. So Tina's done a very good job of, oh, what's going on there? Very good. Oh, Dave Timms is trying to call me. I'll just stop. My bro Davey just rung. Okay, so we got to that part. Now, if we turn to here, that was a hallway that went to the kitchen, which was completely pointless. So we have turned it into a big cupboard, and this is where we're going to have lots and lots of shelves in here. And it's going to be our linen cupboard, vacuum, all that kind of stuff. So it's going to be, oh, for awesome. It really is. Not quite what you see now, but it will be, and you can see it's nice big wide. So all our, we're going to have shelves all along here, better walk in, and it'll be just bloody awesome. And then from there, so now we've got a door on it now, which is rather good, and we have a door here as well. I know that sounds strange. Into the bathroom. That was already a brand new shower box, so that's really, really good. Just about all of this has been lined. That's those horrible louver windows were taken out, and we've got we're getting a air extractor thing, so we don't really need an opening window here. And they very cleverly put this foggy kind of stuff. There's our lovely blue bath, which I think will be pretty good. And then all of this is the laminate, the proper waterproofy stuff we've done on the roof, the whole lot, because it's very, very tough, very easy to clean, all that kind of stuff. So we've got that. Now originally we had an interesting toilet that was built into the wall, and now we have a brand new toilet and everything's there. And my favourite little piece there is the extra bum washy thing, and that's really good. Takes cleanliness to a new level, I'm just saying, okay? That's all I'm going to say about that. So we've got that, and we have a doorway, clever little door handles, which work really well, like that. How about that? And then we've also now got a doorway in here as well, which takes us to quite a large wash house. Yeah, washing machines and all that sort of stuff are going to go. There originally was a hot water cylinder here. Gosh, should watch what I'm videoing. Originally was a hot water cylinder here in a big cupboard that was of no use at all. We've put a gas colifont on, so we've gained all that space there. That's to the back door. So doggies, we're going to have a nice little doggy area and kitty areas where they're going to sleep. But as I say, same thing, apart from jib on these walls here, everything else has this lovely laminate stuff which is hardy, easy to clean, just really, really practical. We're actually putting flooring in at the moment. We're not staying with this lovely, this is a blast from the past. You remember vinyl like that? Isn't it beautiful? Bloody beautiful, eh? Real nice. Original 50s. Very, very good. The doggies make their way up through this like that. Look at that. So yeah, it's all been very cleverly thought out. Talk about bloody sharp. Right. I'll quickly show you out the back here. It's a massive section, long, narrow kind of section. Quite a nice, picturesque looking thing there at the present moment. So yeah, we come down to here. All the old bits of wood that I couldn't work are all there. I've cut them all up so they're ready for firewood for someone. Try to get all my bits of wood from the garage all in one place. Now I'll show you this. There's over here is our very last piece of the section. This is where we were hoping to have the dogs, but I'll show you a very clever escape pod that Bessie attempted to, or at least she's quite successfully made. But yeah, this is another big area, so our section finishes there. So if you look at it there, that's it there. Very, very nice again. We're attempting to try to keep the dogs in by putting all these non-escape kind of things in. Looks a bit like a gangland kind of a place at the present moment, only because that's all we had. So, but we had that all up, and that the doggies should not have been able to escape from this. Unfortunately, the other day the dogs were out and about, or at least Bessie was, all around the neighbourhood. Builder rung us, blah 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 blah. Very nice guy, by the way. Anyway, and I didn't think this little dog could be quite so clever, but she made a clever escape pod. So if we come along here, there's kind of dirt on there, and then there's a very clever, quite a big hole that she dug right underneath it. And look at that. What a clever doggy. She's dug right underneath and got out, and that's where she made her escape. So I'm now going to thwart that by digging a channel and putting bricks in it. And hopefully she won't be able to dig through bricks. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, and those are some bits we're kind of keeping. I think that cabinet could be quite good. We're selling that. I've got some of these things which I reckon could be quite good in the new garage. And then we've got all our metal and bits and pieces over here which I'll take to the recycling soon. So yeah, if you look back from here you can sort of get an idea of the length. And this is still not as far back as it is, but that gives you an idea of the dimensions of the place. And the garage is going to go, it's quite large. It's going to come right down to here and almost all the way down to where Tina's car is, and then it's 11 by 7 garage going in there. So yeah, there it is. All right, lovely people. I'll leave it at that. That's probably enough. Holy crap, we have a light. You'd never think that would be so exciting, but it just is. And look, we've got a 1 power point in our bedroom at the moment that goes. It does, because look, if we do this, we've got light. Yay. And we come through here, just blink for a minute while we go through here. We have lights in the roof. Woohoo! And we have, oh Christ, my elbow. Fuck. And we have lights in the ceiling. These are all permanently in at the moment. And our heat pump goes. Thank God, because we froze our Watsits off last night. Just about done in here too. Look, the floor, we've just got the vanity to put in. It's all very exciting. These are all our lights are in there. This is all going. And we have a new door here, which is really cool. And all the flooring in here is done. Oh my goodness. So all we've got really is just one bit of there, bit of that. Inset lighting there. That's going to be ready for the washing machine, which is really cool. Just got the power point to put in there, got a light switch. This all sounds very mundane and awful, but for us it's so exciting because we have lived with one PowerPoint pretty much for a week and a half or thereabouts, I think. And now suddenly we've got, woohoo, we've got some lights and we've got a heat pump. Oh my god, we've got a heat pump. And god, we froze the last couple of nights. So this is such a bonus, you won't believe it. Thrilled to bits. Hey baby.
Yeah.
And then some interesting packages arrived. Quick update, our kitchen is still just an empty room, but we do have a whole lot of boxes in it, and we have one or two assembled cabinets that aren't in their right place, but that is absolutely fine. So yeah, hopefully next week we're going to start seeing all those boxes will be magically transferred into big boxes like that and put together, and we'll also be able to get those boxes out of there and put them in the right places. And then, just when you thought it couldn't get more exciting, it does. On July the 4th, two men with a digger turn up. A big truck arrives full of concrete. And construction of our garage sleepout starts. And then he proceeds to dig big holes in our backyard. Soak pit, I think they call it. Okay guys, I think we might leave it at that, and then we'll catch up in the next one. All sorts of exciting stuff happening, I tell you. Hang in there, it's going to get better.